Okay, children, now you see from here, yes, 14, 3 into 20 and 14 into 20, 3 into 30 and 2 into 30. You have to make all the denominators equal to 60. So, to 16 into 12, 192. Yes, when we multiply this, we are going to get these answers. From this, we are going to write ascending order. Yes, again I am going to show this. Okay, see. Now which one is ascending order means small to big. Ascending order means small to big. Small to big. So which one is small in this, children? 90 by 60. So 90 by 60 means third fraction is 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Next 192. 192 by 60. 192 by 60. 192 is first fraction. 16 by 5. Okay. Next which fraction, children? Next which fraction? 280. 280 by 60. 280 is in which fraction? 280 is in which fraction? Yes, second fraction. That is 14 by 3. Next 315 by 60. That is 21 by 4. The same way you are going to do the C1, children. Yes, in the same way you are going to do the C1. This is C1. You are going to do the B1. Yes, you are going to do the B1. Yes, you are going to do the B1. The same way you are going to do B1 as homework, children. Yes, in the descending order also I am saying one more sum. In the descending order, you do the same sum. Yes, do the same way you are going to do in the descending order also. I am going to say one more problem in the next bit. How to do in the descending order, children. Okay, come on, open. What is the next fourth bit descending order? Fourth bit descending order, I'll say B1 here. C1 is for homework. 2 1 by 4, 2 2 by 3, 2 5 by 6, 2 1 by 2. Okay? Yes. First change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Change mixed fraction to improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. What is the mixed fraction? 2 1 by 4. That is 2 4s are 8. 9 by 4. Now 2 2 by 3. 2 3s are 6 7 8. 8 by 3. Comma 2 5 by 6. 5 6 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 5. 17 by 6. Now 2 1 by 2. 2 2s are 4. That is 5 by 2. Now what are the fractions? 9 by 4. 8 by 3. 17 by 6. 5 by 2. Now you are going to write this in descending order. But you have different denominators. You can't write. So what should you do? Take LCM. Take LCM of 4, 3, 6, 2. Okay? LCM of 4, 3, 6, 2. 2 2s are 4. 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 3, 2, 1, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, children? Now, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 2. 2 2 is 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So, now you are going to make the bases as base. Denominator should be, for every number we should get the denominator as 12. So, 9 by 4. 4 table में 12 कब आता? 4 3s are 12. Comma. 8 by 3. 3 table में 12 कब आता? 3 4s are 12. Now 17 by 6. 6 table में 12. 6 2s are 12. Now 5 by 2. 2 table में 12, 2 6 जा. Now 9 3 are 27 by 12, 32 by 12, 34 by 12, 30 by 12. Yes, these are the fractions we got. Here we got all the 12 as denominator. Now you are going to write them as ascending order, children. Now we are going to write them in ascending order. Sorry, descending order you have to write. Now we are going to write it in descending order, not ascending order. This bit is of descending order, no? Descending order. Descending order means big to small. Big to small. So which is bigger? 27, 32, 34, 40, 30. 34 by 12. 34 by 12 is third fraction, no? What is the third fraction, children? ये हम लोग पूरा सॉल्व करने के बाद ये नंबर आया, लेकिन पहले इसका नंबर क्या है? 17 by 6. Then 32 by 12. That is second one. 8 by 3. Then 30 by 12. That is 5 by 2. Then 27 by 12. That is 9 by 4. Okay, children? Yes, in the same way you do the C1. Okay? Now, open page number 84, children. Open page number 84. Page number 84. Open page number 84. Page number 84. Page number 84, children. See, here I am going to show only one, children. All the 5 you do as homework. That is nothing but you are going to add all the numerators. See, I will show E1 because they are like fractions. 1 by 8 plus 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8. Here, how you are going to add this? 1 plus 3 plus 5. Dip. 9 by 8. That's all. You are going to write like this. Yes? Yes. But second bit, what should you do? You have unlike fractions. So, here also I am going to show only one. You are going to do all the rest of 5. See, you have to take LCM for the denominators. Then you are going to add. Okay? Yes. Second bit, children. Second bit. What you are going to do? Second bit, what you are going to do? Add the following unlike fractions. Add the following unlike fractions. See, I'll show you. 2 plus 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1 by 2. So, what should you do? Take LCM first. Take LCM of 3, 5, 2, children. Okay, 3, 5, 2. 3, 5, 2. 3 table. 1, 5, 2. 5 table. 1, 1, 2. 2 table. 1, 1, 1. Okay, LCM is equal to 3 into 5 into 2. 3 5s are 15. 15 2s are 30. Okay, now. Yes. Now, make denominators equal. 2 by 3 into 10 plus 4 by 5 into 6. Because we have to get 30 as denominator. For that sake, I am multiplying it with 6. Now, 1 by 2 into 15. Now 2 plus 4 plus 15 by 30. 21 by 30. 21 30 दो भी 3 टेबल में आता, तो you can cancel them. 3 sevens are 3 tens are. That is 7 by 10 is the answer. Okay? Come on, write. The same way you do all the other sums, children. That's all for today. Thank you.